Hi, I'm just doing this short video here today to say that I'm seeking reselection for South Wales West regional list for Plaid Cymru for next year's Assembly election. I'm really excited about this prospect because I have worked so hard for the last 5 years in this area, not only recruiting new members to Plaid Cymru but also getting as involved as I possibly can in local campaigns and local movements to make sure that Plaid are part of the community in this area. So I'm here in Neath today because before Christmas I did get involved in a local campaign to make sure that we could have a Christmas to remember. We raised £20,000 to relight the town when Neath Talbot Council in their wisdom decided to cut the funding for the Christmas lights, and we had the best Christmas anybody could possibly imagine. But across the region I've been working hard, campaigning in Bridgend, for example, against the downgrading of services at the Princess of Wales Hospital there, campaigning with local communities against open cast mining, and also of course campaigning for Junction 41 to be reopened. On a national level I have put forward legislation so that the young people of Wales can leave school with the money management skills that they rightly need and deserve. I am the candidate that can bring the fight to the Labour government and can raise our voices on a Westminster level. I'm really confident about this campaign and I hope that you can join in this campaign with me too.